Danielle. From the moment we met, I knew it was something, I just didn't know what. Whether it's a tiny date or a trip around the world, I love those moments with you. I promise I'll be around no matter what, and to always make sure that food we get isn't poisoned, for the kids. I'll be your husband, best friend, and professional spider killer, or hider. I was always unsure I'd get married, but I'm very excited it's to you. I think I'm still learning life, and I'm glad you are patient enough with me to deal with it. I love you.
You're so cute.
Danielle, do you take Dakota to be your lawfully wedded husband? Will you honor him, cherish him, love, trust, and commit to him through joy and pain, sickness and health, and whatever life may throw at you both, until death do you part? Dakota, do you take Danielle to be your lawfully wedded wife? Will you honor and cherish her with love, trust, and commit to her through joy and pain, sickness and health, and whatever life may throw at you, until death do you part?
I do.
Danielle and Dakota have exchanged rings. A wedding ring is a symbol of binding, a symbol of attachment, and of belonging, not a possession, but a partnership. Danielle and Dakota, having proclaimed your love and commitment to another in the eyes of these loved ones and the power vested in me by Universal Life Church in the state of Ohio, I am so happy to pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss.
From the very beginning, nothing about us was traditional. We found each other in the middle of heartache and healing, and even then, you made me feel safe, seen, and deeply loved. We faced our fair share of challenges, but through every moment, we chose to grow together. We listened and we learned and we held on to each other when it would have been easier to let go. And because of that, our love is stronger and deeper and more grounded than ever. You are my best friend, my calm, my biggest hater, and the one person I can completely be myself with. Knowing I'll always be accepted and understood and sometimes roasted by you and the kids. I promise to keep choosing you on the good days and the hard days and all the ordinary days in between. I promise to keep growing with you, laughing with you, and building a life that feels like home for both of us.
Now, everyone, let's raise our glasses to the newly wedded Mr. and Mrs. Bell. Cheers.